Hello everyone, I am Teacher Cam, and today we will learn about jobs. Again, jobs. Okay, let's spell jobs. J-O-B-S, jobs. Very good. Now, let's begin. Are you ready? Let's go. Oh, but first, let's review our previous lesson. Girl. Girl. If it's a girl, we say she. She. S-H-E. She. She is a girl. Again, she is a girl. Very good. Next. Boy. Boy. If it's a boy, we say he. He. H-E. He. He is a boy. Again, he is a boy. Well done. Now, let's start. Veterinarian. Veterinarian. V-E-T-E-R-I-N-A-R-I-A-N. Veterinarian. Look at the veterinarian. Is it a boy or a girl? It is a girl. So you say she is a veterinarian. She is a veterinarian. Good job. Next. Teacher. Teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Teacher. Look at the teacher. Is it a boy or a girl? Boy. So we say he is a teacher. He is a teacher. Very good. Doctor. Doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. Look at the doctor. Is it a boy or a girl? Girl. So we say she is a doctor. Again, she is a doctor. Well done. Next. Soldier. Soldier. S-O-L-D-I-E-R. Soldier. Look at the soldier. Is it a boy or a girl? It's a boy. So we say he is a soldier. Again, he is a soldier. Very good. Next, firefighter. Firefighter. F-I-R-E-F-I-G-H-T-E-R. Firefighter. Look at the firefighter. Is it a boy or a girl? It's a girl. So we say she is a firefighter. She is a firefighter. Next. Farmer. Farmer. F-A-R-M-E-R. Farmer. Look at the farmer. Is it a boy or a girl? It's a boy. So we say he is a farmer. Again, he is a farmer. Great job. Next, cashier. Cashier. C-A-S-H-I-E-R. Cashier. Look at the cashier. Is it a boy or a girl? It's a girl. So we say she is a cashier. Again, she is a cashier. Very good. Next, pilot. Pilot. P-I-L-O-T. Pilot. Look at the pilot. Is it a boy or a girl? It's a boy. So we say he is a pilot. Again, he is a pilot. Very good. Next. Chef. Chef. C-H-E-F. Chef. Look at the chef. Is it a boy or a girl? It's a girl. So we say she is a chef. She is a chef. Well done. Next. Policeman. Policeman. P-O-L-I-C-E-M-A-N. Policeman. Look at the policeman. Is it a boy or a girl? Boy. So we say he is a policeman. Again, he is a policeman. Very good. Now let's have our activity number 1. In Instruction. Identify the picture and circle the correct answers. Are you ready? Let's start. Ooh, look at the picture. Who is she? Is she number 1, doctor? Number 2, chef? Or number 3, cashier? She is a chef. Good job. Next. Ooh. Who is he? Wait. Is he number 1, farmer? Number 2, policeman? Or number 3, pilot? He is a pilot. Ooh, very good. Next. Who is she? Is she number 1, nurse? Number 2, doctor? Or number 3, chef? She is a doctor. Very good. Next. Who is he? Is he number 1, farmer? Number 2, policeman? Or number 3, pilot? He is a farmer. Very good. Next. Ooh. Who is she? She is a number 1, chef? Number 2, doctor? Or number 3, veterinarian? Who is she? She is a veterinarian. Good job. Next, let's have our activity number 2. Instruction. Listen to the teacher and circle the correct picture. Are you ready? Let's start. Oh, this is the question. Which one is the teacher? Which one is the teacher? Is it number 1, number 2, or number 3? Ooh, which one is the teacher? It's number 2. Very good. Next question. Which one is the soldier? Which one is the soldier? Is it number 1, number 2, or number 3? Which one is the soldier? It's number 3. Very good. And last, we have Which one is the firefighter? Which one is the firefighter? Is it number 1, number 2, or number 3? Okay, look at the screen. Which one is the firefighter? Firefighter. It's number 1. Very good. Okay, thank you for listening. That's all. Bye-bye.